Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to make cultured butter. We already know that butter is delicious, but cultured butter is somehow even better. Culturing your cream first results in the most amazing depth of flavor and tang that regular butter just can't compete with. But for all the complexity of flavor, this recipe could not be simpler. It only calls for 2 ingredients and a little bit of time. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and check out our other fermentation recipes. And as always, we're posting a link to the full recipe in the description. Now let's get started culturing some butter. In a half-gallon jar, add 4 cups of heavy cream. Pasteurized cream, totally fine. Just make sure it's not ultra-pasteurized and that it doesn't have any other additives. You're looking for just cream. Add in a ½ cup kefir. That's where your live cultures are coming from. And then whisk that in to get the cultures all evenly distributed throughout the cream. Cover with a clean dishcloth, secure with a rubber band, and let it ferment for at least 12 hours, but the longer it goes, the tangier and better it will be. Before churning, you want to cool it down in the fridge. The temp you want is 60 degrees. Time to churn. We're going to do this in a food processor, but you can use a mixer as well. Add in half of your cultured cream. It needs a little bit of space when churning, so we do this in batches. And turn it on. This part's super fun to watch. You can see the cream thicken up. Keep going. And then it will start to separate. You want to churn until you see splashing, then you know that it's separated. Hello, butter. And that liquid is buttermilk. Now churn the second batch. Get it all in there, and go. Line a bowl with closely knit cheesecloth called butter muslin and transfer just the butter solids in. Gather into a sack and squeeze out extra buttermilk. The buttermilk can cause your butter to spoil, so these next couple steps are about just getting out the last bit of buttermilk. Pour the buttermilk off into a jar and save for another use. Make an ice bath and add in your butter. Knead in the ice water. This step's called washing. You'll see that your ice bath actually turns milky. That's all the buttermilk getting out of there. We like to repeat with some fresh ice water to make sure all the butter melts out. Perfect. Blot dry with paper towels. And we like salted butter, so we're going to add some salt in and then work it in with our hands. Get it all in there. And done. Yay, butter. After churning and washing your butter, it's ready to eat and can be stored wrapped in wax paper in the fridge. And if you loved making your own butter, be sure to check out our cheese making and yogurt videos next. Again, I'm Erica from FarmSteady. Thanks so much for watching, and please check out farmsteady.com for great fermentation kits and even more recipes.